Are you looking for the best furniture dollies in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best furniture dollies that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, HONNIE 13 20-pound capacity Hardwood Dolly 2-pack. Designed using quality durable hardwood material, the products are sturdy and highly durable. Each product holds up to 1,320 pounds, which makes them excellent for most operations. Fitted with 4 caster swivel wheels each, these units easily maneuver on every terrain. Moreover, they have large sizes of 18 by 30 inches to suit them for most loads. Again, they are covered on non-marring fabric that will keep the product free from scuffs and scratches. What is more, the pack comes with 2 furniture dollies that you will get ideal for most operations. You can use them for moving sofas, washers, dryers, and refrigerators among others. At number 4, No1 Gdae Furniture Lifter 5 pieces 330 pounds moving and lifting systems. For elementary movement and lifting of most items, here is a pack of a mobile toolset to consider. They support up to 330 pounds and, therefore, are perfect for lightweight loads. Besides this, the pack comes with up to 5 pieces that will serve you better, and with the ergonomic designs, they are simpler to use. The good thing is that they are carefully built to serve longer, and with the powder coat finish, they guarantee prolonged use and stability. The tools are easy and quick to assemble with no tools involved. Also, they are cost-effective products that you will get great for your budget and, therefore, great buys to try out. At number 3, HONNKEN Heavy-Duty Furniture Lifter 1100 lbs 5-pack. With a total of 5 packs in the set, the furniture dollies are very reliable and great for most operations. This product has a large load capacity of 1,100 pounds and, therefore, is a great option that will serve you better. To add moat, they are equipped with 360-degree swivel wheels that provide better maneuverability on all floors. Again, they have 180 degrees adjustable heads that suit them for moving most loads. The versatile units are recommended for use at home, offices, supermarkets, and more. Moreover, they have scientific ergonomic designs, which allow for better operation and use. At number 2, Xingyuan multifunctional mobile basin 4 feet furniture dolly. Fitted with 4 vibration-proof pads, the product will function at low noise, hence a pick that suits most spaces. Secondly, this product has an adjustable size that easily moves from 18 to 28 inches, making it a great option for most loads. Furthermore, the product is highly durable and sturdy due to heavy-duty steel construction. It has a rust-proof powder coat finish to guarantee the extended durability of the product. Besides this, the product is widely applicable since you can use it for the elementary movement of most items. For instance, it suits washing machines, dryers, and refrigerators among others. Because of the lower price, the product is a great buy for all users. At number 1, Gdae E10 Industrial Machinery Mover 13,200 pounds 360 degrees swivel plate. With a higher load limit of 13,200 pounds, this product is designed for industrial applications. The unit is, therefore, fit for a wide range of heavy loads, hence a selection to try out. Secondly, it features a 360 degrees swivel rotation cap that makes it very reliable and convenient for easy loading and unloading. Additionally, the product comes in a wider range of colors to get the favorite color pick. The widely applicable product is excellent for transportation, distribution, and warehousing among others. That said, the product is equipped with smooth rollers that allow for better movement on most floor surfaces. The furniture dolly is a product of all-steel material coated in premium polyurethane material to provide better protection and years of service. The dolly has a wider surface area, which ensures that it fits a wide range of loads and, therefore, is a great buy you may try out. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.